village, beautiful and some rude peoples.
Yes, if you are someone who speaks English even in Nepal, then yeah, people say, why are you talking English, talking Nepali? But it's okay. You should not listen to everyone.
But sometimes social media helps me to read as well.
What are the things like you wanna change in the education system of Nepal? Like, hello everyone. So today I'm here in Tribhuvan University. So today I'm going to interview some top students of Tribhuvan University in English. So there was a lot of rejection in Tribhuvan University, and now we are in Patan. Can you introduce yourself in English?
Yes, hi, I'm Shmiri Awasthi. I'm 22 years old and I study bachelor's, fourth year in PK.
Which college do you study?
म चाहिँ पद्मकना sorry English हो जा
Edit गरिदिन्छु क्या?
okay I read in Padmakana campus.
So how is the education system of Nepal, or how is the education of your college?
I think the education, the syllabus and everything is pretty good, but if you talk about system, it's not. That's not like the system is not good.
Can you just elaborate?
Like in TU we have different majors, right? In BA also humanities we have psychology, mathematics, economics and many other. But the teachers and the system and how the result happens, how the exam is conducted, that all thing is so much complicated. The government has made it complicated and we students are suffering from it.
What is the worst part of the exam? Like,
The worst part of exam is the timing. I think that's pretty good right now, but if we talk about the history of TU, the exam never happens in time. And even though it happens, the exam center, I think that should also be discussed uh, because the centers are also, like pretty far from the college, and the center is also published pretty late. So I think the center and everything about exam and the question part as well.
what will be the points that can make the Nepal education more improvement?
Okay, I think the very important thing that should happen is a updation in syllabus, because we are reading the same syllabus from past 50 years and still we are reading it. It's not been updated. So first of all, the syllabus would be updated, because in foreign the syllabus has been updated, but we are reading the same thing again and again, which does not work for us. So that should be changed, I believe. And yes, the system, when we talk about system, the teachers and everything should, the time management should also happen good.
Can you please introduce yourself in English?
Hello, my name is Shanta Shrestha.
And my name is Resma Acharya.
Where are you guys from?
We are from Bhaktapur. I'm from Bhaktapur.
I'm from Thankot.
Can you tell us a little about your hometown?
It's basically like a village. It's not really much developed, but
Can you just tell about Kathmandu? About Chandragiri?
Like, it's a beautiful place, so you can see a lot of things from Chandairi Hills, and we also can ride cable car.
What is your hometown famous for?
it's basically nothing. Where
That's-
I live,
What is Chandragiri famous for?
Chandairi is famous for that temple, Balisore. And also there is also Indathan, what? I don't know that Indathan.
Can you introduce yourself in English?
So hi, my name is Satisha Shrestha and I'm from Patan Bahal and I'm from Omega College.
How about
My name is Pachita Sakya and I live in Vaisipati and I'm from Omega College.
how is the education of Nepal?
I feel like the education of Nepal is kind of mild. It's weak for now, but I do think it will change and develop now.
Same here.
What are the things like you wanna change in the education system of Nepal? Like, what are the main things?
I think transportation system is one of the first, because transportation is very weak right now in every colleges I see, and the others are, I think, changing right now. It doesn't have to say anything.
How much practical is needed in the education in today's generation?
I think 20%. Just practical is, we don't do any practicals right now at all, except computer practical.
Yes.
That's it.
To get a good job in the future, does only theory is enough?
I do not think so. Theory and practical both is very important because I feel like I am from computer stream, so if we do not do computer practical, we will not know anything except books. So I think practical is very important.
Introduce yourself in English.
Yes, my name is Samif Singh Zali, and I am reading in Pinnacle College right now, and I live in Kusanti.
What course are you studying?
I am reading computer management.
What makes you choose this subject?
Uh, when I was a kid, from when I was little, I from studying I liked computer, and I like to study computer. So I thought when I grow up, I'll read computer management, and now I'm reading computer management. I'm fulfilling my dreams.
What is the main target?
My main target is to just continue YouTube, or if not, then I'll just do job in IT companies.
So, for YouTube, in what content are you making videos? Where did you learn English?
I learned my English. From primary school, I guess, because we had kind of English speaking compulsory thing in our school, and because it was private school, it was more focused for English. That's why I think I can speak good.
How important is English language in our country?
Not in only our country, globally, it's a very renowned and important language for everyone. And if we want to have a conversation with anyone, it's made us very easy to speak because we know English. So it's very important.
There's a lot of comments like from people like whenever we speak English, किन English बोलेको भन्छ नि त.
Oh, yeah.
What do you want to say on this?
Yes, if you are someone who speaks English, even in Nepal, then yeah, people say, why you talk in English, talk in Nepali? But it's okay. You should not listen to everyone. If you have a habit of talking in English, you can talk in English. But if there is someone who knows Nepali better, then you can change into Nepali as well.
What course you are pursuing?
My course is computer practical and maths right now, management stream.
Can you tell something about the course, whole course?
The course is very hard comparison to school. I feel like it's a lot of level. I feel like it's very hard and you have to really work hard in home also because in school, in practical, it's not enough at all.
What is the scope of computer in Nepal?
I think in comparison to science, I think management is very weak in scope for in Nepal. But at the same time, management also has many scopes, etc., like entrepreneur and engineering and more. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
From in YouTube, I'm just making gaming contents like on playing Free Fire and other continuous games.
Can you tell me what equipments are you using to stream the game?
Not the streaming. I just make YouTube videos. There is an application called Mobile Zone. I record videos from that, and it is an screen recording app. I just record my screen and make video, and I'll edit using CapCut and just post on YouTube.
Is there a consistency of posting videos in YouTube?
I was on before, but nowadays due to not getting time because I'm reading college, I am not making that much videos.
That was also famous.
What are the biggest changes you want to see in your hometown?
I don't know.
What are the biggest changes you want to see in your hometown?
There's nothing to be changed.
Can you describe your hometown in 3 words?
In 3 words, village, beautiful, and some rude peoples.
October भन्नुभयो. How about you?
Same as our.
Thank you. How much hour do you give for a study?
I give maximum 3 to 4 hours for studies.
That much time is enough.
Yeah, just 45 minutes on this much one course, and continue those for few days. Then you'll remember all.
Is social media or mobile is really disturbing your study?
Yes, sometimes. But sometimes social media helps me to read as well. So we can see it is both advantageous and disadvantageous.